Hi folks, we are looking at my 2011 F10 535i. Recently, I have been getting a weird squeaking sound from my front suspension, and I was continuing to drive the car and it got progressively worse within a week's time. I went through a couple of YouTube videos dealing with similar problem. All of them identified the problem being caused by control arms. We are at Sri Garage in Sharjah. This is a BMW only specialist garage. It's been here for a while. This is my second visit here. Let's see how it goes. The technician who is looking at it is Mr. John. I just had a chat with him while he was checking the car for the sound. Let's see what he says. It could be either the control arm, lower control arm, or just the bushings. So this is the lower control arm that you're looking at. See, the bushes have worn out, come off. And let's look at the other side. It's the same case here. The bushes have worn out, come out. And this is the control arm. So Mr. John has inspected the car, and he says the lower control arm needs a full change, and there are bushings that needs replacing on the upper arm, both sides.
No.
The car has been back with us for a week now, and it's been driving very well. As you can see, there is hardly any suspension noise. It's all been ironed out, and it's been perfect. It costed say about 2,000 dirhams to fix it. So the things that were changed were the lower control arm, the bushings for the control arm, and then the tie rod. After all the changes, the wheel alignment was done as well. So in terms of the replacement parts, they were of the brand Lemfoda. It's a OEM BMW brand, as you know, and the garage quoted me at the exact same prices as I was seeing them online, so I was perfectly fine with what they quoted. The label was reasonable. And now let's get away. I'm going up straight. The labor quoted was reasonable. The prices were as per the spare parts prices that I saw online, and I gave the car in the morning at 9 o'clock, and then I had it back at 7. So that's the previous control arm change on this car was at 92,000 kilometers. That was done February 2020, just before the COVID lockdown. So it's roughly lasted 4.5 years, and it was changed at 153,000 currently. I've just driven 100 kilometers since I've taken it. So effectively it's lasted for say 61,000 kilometers and 4.5 years. That is I would say, based on my experience, lifetime you can give for your control arms.